Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a review of rounding decimal notes. Now, you've already done this. You've already taken care of this. You should have your notes either glued into your student notebook, or you should have them in your binder, and you need to take them and you need to glue them on page 3. All right? And I'm just going to quickly go through some of these things. The notes that you already have this part written in, and I'm not going to take a lot of time to do this. It's going to be a very short review, okay? And I'm just going to simply write down what I would do on the 3 examples, and you can watch this and you can review it, and this is your way of helping yourself, all right? Go to the nearest whole number, which is this. We're going to circle it. We're going to look next door, right next door. The 1, the 4, they don't work. They don't help us, but the 9 will. And since the 9 is 5 or more, 5 or higher, we're going to add 1 to the 3, and that becomes a 4. And if you need to, you can always add a decimal point and a 0. It's not necessary. This is really your answer. Here we go. Next part. Example 2. 82 and, that's what the decimal point means, 456,000, thousandths, and we're looking for the tenths place, nearest tenths, and remember, if it has a THS or a TH, it is on the right side of your decimal. Well, here is tenths place, and we look right next door. 6 isn't important, but the 5 is. Since that is 5 or higher, the 4 will go up 1. 82 and 5 tenths. 5 is used. We don't need it anymore. We're going to put 0, 0 at the end to show that the 5 and the 6 no longer exist. Alright? This is really your answer. If you add the zeros with it, it's okay. Alright? Example number 3. You're going to round 4 and 9,297 10,000ths, and we're going to go to the nearest thousandths place, which is right here. Circle the 9. Let's look next door. Since the number next door to the 9 that we circled, the place value we circled, is 5 or more, we're going to raise the 9 up 1. We're going to add 1 to it, which makes it a 10. Well, you can have 2 digits there, so you're going to keep the 0 there, and you're going to add 1 to this 2, which becomes a 3. Keep the 9, decimal point, and the 4. The 7 is no longer needed, so we cross it out. We've used it. This really is your answer right here. Alright, now that was quick, and I get that. Go back and look at what I'm asking you to do again. If you need to, go back and look at your previous notes. In the notes, everything is there. Use this chart. This chart's really helpful. If you get confused, take this and write it in your notes in these boxes, alright? Alright. Hey, that was a quick review. You're okay. Just take the assignment. The assignment is in the brown container again. And you are going to, you know what, I'm going to go right to the end of this, and I'm going to tell you which ones I want you to do. I've already done the white practice. I need you to go and get this out of the organizer over by the window, and you are going to do the first or the last 10, 11 through 20. That is your assignment, not the starred ones, 11 through 20. Okay? You're not an echo. No, that's not what you're doing. Coach K forgot to take that and switch it. I'll do that later. I'm going to put it in Canvas. That's where it's at. Now, I did not put any place in there where you submit the assignment, so I will go back in and make sure it's there. Everything that we did last week, and I know it's been a long time ago, all right? So you just need to know that if you need help, ask. Ask your partner next to you. But it's really, really important that you understand what it is you're doing with these videos. It's not a play time, it's not a game time. It's a work time, and you got to stay on schedule. All right? Use your chart to chart out everything that you need to do. Put down the date that you finished it. Make sure you take a picture of it. Make sure you turn it into Canvas, okay? All right. Hey, be patient, stay positive. You're doing a great job. All righty. Hey, and that was another video with your most favorite math teacher you've ever had, Coach K. Hey, thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. You're my favorite too. Hey, have a great day.